Want to know the ultimate evergreen bestseller on Adobe Stock? Vector icons. But what if you can't draw and Adobe Illustrator gives you a headache? Today, I'm going to show you a cheat code workflow. In just 3 minutes, you'll be uploading high-quality SVGs and building passive income zero design skills required. Step 1. We grab some inspiration. Let's search for a salary icon set on Adobe Stock and save a preview image. Next, we bring in our secret weapon, StockFlow AI. We drop our reference image in and flip on the exclusive vector icon mode. This toggle is pure magic. It forces the AI to completely ignore photography jargon and instantly generates a pure, clean, flat vector prompt. Armed with our master-level prompt, we head over to our image generator, like Midjourney or Flow, and boom, a flawless set of black and white icons. To meet stock agency vector standards, we'll open a free browser tool called Photopea. One click with the magic wand to remove the background, export as an SVG, and done. Your digital asset is ready for the market. Finally, the most crucial step, SEO. A great design is useless if buyers can't find it. We drop our new SVG into StockFlow AI's Stock Sensei X. Our proprietary algorithm instantly generates a commercial-grade 8 to 15-word long-tail title plus 40 high-converting keywords. It's perfectly optimized for search algorithms, and best of all, absolutely zero AI hallucinations or fake years. From reverse engineering inspiration to generating flawless SEO metadata, StockFlow AI turns your stock portfolio into a fully automated factory. Stop letting your AI generations collect dust on your hard drive. Click the link below, download StockFlow AI, and start building your digital asset empire today.